Hello POE and welcome to day 3 of e-learning and of fluid power. Today we're going to be talking about work, power, and horsepower. So work is force multiplied by distance. So it's how much we're able to move an object. We've seen this before. Force multiplied by distance is also with moment calculations, and torque we have foot-pounds. Power is the rate at which we do work, so foot-pounds per second. Then horsepower is the flow multiplied by pressure drop or change in pressure. We have a constant over here. 1 horsepower is equal to 1,714 gallons per minute per PSI. So that is what we are looking at over here. In our equation, we have got our flow times our pressure change over this constant that is horsepower. So we're going to try this out in a practice problem. So let's see what that looks like. In practice problem number 1, we have a pump for a hydraulic system that pumps fluid down a fluid line. Pressure is 150. The flow rate is measured at 125. What is the horsepower for this motor? So we know that horsepower is equal to our rate times our pressure over this constant. So we already have all the information that we need to solve this. Horsepower is equal to 150 times 125 divided by 1714. We find horsepower to equal 10.94. That's our horsepower. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple and easy. Our next problem is your assignment for today, and it is not quite as straightforward. With this one, we have a lot of information given to us, but we have a lot of things that we are missing. For instance, we are missing Q, P, and horsepower. So essentially everything that we had in our last problem, where we were given Q and P, we are now missing those. But what we do have, we have force, we have velocity, we have our diameter, so we can easily find our pressure, and that's what we want to start by finding. That's going to be my little hint for you. Make sure that you are using that Pascal's law to find our pressure, and that's going to give us a lot of information about where to go next. All right, that's what I'm going to leave you with. Finish practice problem number 2, and that's your assignment for today. Thank you so much for watching.